Hello, good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Summer Rose with another job this morning. And this job is coming from CirrusLabs. User Interface UI Designer. That's the job role. User Interface UI Designer with Salesforce Lightning. And this job pays up to 60,000 hours, a full-time job. It's a part-time job position also, or either a contract job. You can choose either or. And the job description is here. At Regions, the digital user interface designer will be responsible for delivering solutions that are intuitive, aesthetically, I can't stand that word, y'all, I'm sorry, pleasing, and persuasive, leads design projects, and provides art direction for other visual designers while evangelizing usability, simplicity, and high quality design. Primary responsibilities: creates highly usable and aesthetically pleasing, excuse me guys, designs for websites and mobile applications, provides innovative solutions for lines of business while balancing the needs of customers, oversees and develops new online brand standards and guidelines, assists with user research and usability testing efforts, creates user interface UI specification documentation, establishes design patterns and create common interface components to promote consistency, create new designs using Paper, Sketch, InVision, Adobe, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Requirements are bachelor's degree in graphic design, human factors, or other related discipline, 7 years of directly related experience with large customer-facing websites, excellent verbal and written communication skills, including experience with online writing for end users, knowledgeable of user-centered design methodology, experience with end user usability testing, capable of positively representing the team to the rest of the organization, extensive knowledge of hypertext markup language HTML or cascading style sheet CSS code and JavaScript. And these are the skills and competencies. And yeah, it's an 8-hour shift job and the work location is remote. Hiring insights: they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role. So you guys jump on it. They're urgently hiring. It just got posted today, which is Wednesday morning of August 2022. So you guys get on it, get on it, get on it. And that's it for this video. I'll be back with more. Good luck.